Hey guys, how's it going? It's Orit here. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best screenshot capture tools out there for freelancers. Now this tool is called Jing, and you can see here I'm on their website. Jing is really handy because especially if you're collaborating with other people, whether it's your clients or whether it's other people on your team, it just helps so much in terms of image sharing and communicating clearly to them when you are trying to share your own work with them. So I'm going to show you how Jing works and also show you some examples of how I use Jing so you can get an idea of it. You can go over to this website here, which I'll put the link down in the description below. And once you have arrived at this website, you just click on download. Just choose whether you're a Mac or Windows user and download Jing. So once you do that, it'll look like this on your screen. You can see here this little yellow bulb at the top. It's like a little sun and it sits on the very top of your desktop. You can choose to hide it if you want, but because I use it so often, I just always leave it up there. So to show you an example, it's really simple. There's 3 different options here. So this first option is how you capture screenshots. So you just click on it and you'll see this little cross area. You just click and drag when you're taking screenshots. Once you've captured your desired area for the screenshot, you can go ahead and click on this first one here that says capture image, and it'll pop this window up. And this is what I really love about Jing, is that you can have arrows to point directly at areas or include boxes. Right here, there's this box that I can go ahead and box something if I want to. I can also change the color of the box or of the arrow as well. I can also highlight certain areas. And, if I want to include a message to whoever's going to be seeing this screen capture, I can do that right here. Change title. So it's really handy when you're, like I said, collaborating with other people and also communicating with clients. So once you've included those notes, you can either copy what you've created and then paste it somewhere, like if you wanted to paste it into a Word document, for example, or you can go ahead and just save it directly on your computer. If you're going to upload it, send it over by email or wherever it is that however you're collaborating with others. So you can not only capture images of your screen, but you can also capture video as well. So like I said, when you're coming back here with the capture arrow, you can select the area which you'd like to capture the video. And then instead of capturing the image with this first button, we're going to click on this right here, which says capture video. And then you can configure with your microphone, start it up, it's going to count down, and then you can start capturing right here. And this is really handy too, because if you're showing, for example, your clients how to do something, maybe it's, you're a website designer and you're showing them how to upload an image in the back end of WordPress or something like that, you can easily create a little tutorial video for them, which once you stop, let's just stop that video there. See, once you stop it here, it creates that video for you automatically, and you can go ahead and save it by clicking on this button here and send it to your client. So I don't use, because we use Camtasia a lot for screen captures, I don't use Jing very often for capturing video, but I use it all the time for screen capture. And I'll give you an example. Some of you guys know that we do merch by Amazon. So we design t-shirts and upload them to Merch by Amazon. We don't necessarily, well, we design some of the designs ourselves, but we also hired some designers, freelance designers from Upwork, to also contribute their designs, and we upload those as t-shirt designs to Merch by Amazon. So to give you an example, let's just say that this design here is one of the t-shirt designs that our designers sent to us for review. So let's just say, I want to communicate to them a few revisions for this design. So again, I'm gonna go to Jing by going to this capture area here. I'm gonna select the image, and then I can go ahead and include my notes. So I'm gonna click capture image, and then I wanna put all of my notes in red so that they stand out more. So I'm gonna say here, I can click on the text one and say remove this black dot. I can also select, so again, change that to red, a box here, a frame, and I can say, I can select that there, put another arrow. Whoops. See, if I just added an arrow, and let's say I don't want to use that anymore, I just hit delete on my keyboard. So I can do it again. So I'm going to do it from the other way here. Point to it and say, please change t-shirt color to red. Right? So once I've included all of my notes there, I can, again, I can either save it to my desktop by naming it something here and then hitting save, and then I can just go ahead and hit save and it'll name it under that same title. Or I can just copy it. For example, if I'm pasting all of this stuff on a Word document or somewhere else, I can just hit copy, and then let's just pull up a Word document so you see here. When I hit Control V on a PC, for Mac it's different, but on a PC, Control V, it pastes it right into the Word document. So it makes it really handy in this sense to clearly communicate any revisions that you need between your other team members or anybody else that you collaborate with. I also use it when doing my own freelance work. So for example, I design different types of publications for other companies. So media kits, I design media kits, workbooks, ebooks, worksheets, flyers, any sort of publication that needs to be a PDF, whether someone's giving them away as a freebie when someone opts in on their website, anything like that, I design those. So sometimes when a company asks me to design a worksheet, for example, and they'll send me their website link, I want to capture their website colors so I can kind of get an idea for their branding colors, which I want to then use on their worksheets, because I want to make their worksheet similar to the branding of their website, so their branding is all consistent. So what I will do is I'll go to their website. I'm just going to go to a page on our website here so you can see an example. So let's just say this is my client's website. Well, okay, I'll use Jing again. I'll use this capture tool. I'll kind of capture an area that includes all of the colors. And then once I've captured that, I'm going to either save or copy the image. So let's just copy the image again. It's much quicker because I'm going to paste it somewhere else. And I typically design everything here in PowerPoint. So you saw that I copied it. Well, I can just hit Control V, and now I have this little image here that includes all of my client's colors. So when I go to design, let's say I want the title now to be in that same purple. I want to capture that exact purple, and that's what's useful about Jing for me, is that I can capture that exact color by going ahead and, you know, if I'm typing the title of the worksheet here, I can change the color of the text by using the eyedropper exactly to that same purple. And so I can add that at the top here, and then I want to, let's say, use this this gray that they have over here. I want to use it up top, so I can go over here to format, again, grab the eyedropper and use that at the top. So there's the header, for example, for my worksheet. So that's kind of an example of how I use Jing, both in collaborating with other people, other freelancers, other people on your team, but also communicating with your clients and also in your own work. It's just so easy to grab images off of your screen and use them. This also saves a lot of time when you're trying to clarify an idea or share a mock-up with a client and you just want to go ahead and capture it and send it to them and ask them, hey, does this look okay so far? One other small tip as well, if you're capturing something on your screen and you decide, oh, that's the wrong capture, I don't want to do that anymore, you can always click on redo selection and you can try again with capturing the specific spot that you want to capture. So guys, that's all for this video. That is how to use Jing for Windows. Specifically, I'm showing you on my PC right here, but you can easily go and download it for Mac, and it's pretty much the same as well. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has been, please let us know by giving us a like on this video and also subscribing to the channel for more great tips coming your way. Also, if you have a specific idea for a tutorial that would be really helpful for you, please leave that idea down in the comments below. We're always wanting to help you guys out if it's something, obviously, that we know how to do. So be sure to leave that down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Back from the dead.